everyone, Noelle with Beautyvicers. Today I want to show you guys my first purchase from the Kylie Cosmetics line. I haven't really purchased anything from her before because I'm not really into a lot of makeup. So I'm sorry, let me adjust the camera. There we are. But what I do love, for those of you who have seen my videos, and I continue to slide, is that I love any kind of cream blush. That's the only blush that I use. And so she came out with something called Glow Balm, which I was excited to use because she came out with this like beautiful, almost like a Barbie pink color. And that's one of those colors that when I see something, I always buy it. I'll show it to you. It's really, really pretty. This is called Pink Me Up. So it comes into this. And this, you know, is one of those multi-purpose balms that you could do on your lips, on your cheeks. And again, I love that pink. It's like that pretty, like bright pink. That is one of my favorite colors. Along with that, I went ahead and thought, you know what, let me try her matte lip colors, which is, I guess, what her line was mainly known for. And I got the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick and lip liner in No Sleep Matte. So it's like a reddish, pinkish. So it comes in this box, very cute packaging. And inside you get a lip liner and you get the matte liquid lip. So let's go ahead and play around with these and see what we think of them. So I'm gonna start with the balm, the Glow Balm, which is what I was really excited to do. I love anything that I can use my fingers with for makeup. I love it. It's just, to me, the more natural and dewy and easier you can put it on, the better. And this is basically it. I really like it. See how it gives you like a really pretty and just a very natural pink tone to your cheeks. And I'm assuming you can also put some on your lips. So that is the Glow Balm in Pink Me Up. I really like it. I love the really soft, pretty pink. And this, I mean, this is basically what I wear on an everyday basis, is just a very glowy, pretty balm. I don't like to put on any kind of powder foundation or powder in general, or blush or anything. It just makes me really hot. I live in Florida, Miami, so to me, once I start getting hot and things start to melt, it drives me crazy. So this definitely, I think is a great buy. I think it's fun, it's cute. You can put it in your bag, run around with it, and it's a nice little multitasker for every day. Now, let's venture to the lip kit. And this, again, is something that I usually don't do because I just don't wear a lot of makeup. And I find most matte lipsticks, okay, this is very hard to take off, okay. I find most of these liquid matte lipsticks that stay long, they're like really drying and it drives me insane. So that's why I don't put it on. But let's try this out just to see. So let's go. I will say the lip liner is very creamy, which is nice because a lot of times you get these lip liners and they're very kind of like dry and pencil-y. So this is the lip liner alone. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't hate it. I actually like it. It's a nice little creamy color. I love that everything's pink. I think that's really pretty. I like pink. Now we go to the matte liquid lip. And do you love the faces we make when we do this? And this is it. Again, I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't hate it. It's actually creamy. Now I can feel that it's starting to dry because it's supposed to be a long wear. But it's not super dry. It still stays a little bit creamy. And that's the color. I don't hate this. So I'm really happy with this. I usually hate these matte lips because, again, I'm like, oh, my lips are dry and it drives me crazy. But I actually like this, so I may actually go and buy another color too. But this color is really pretty. Again, this is 200 No Sleep Matte. And let's check out, because she says it's non-transferable. Let me get maybe on a cotton. Let's see. So, I mean, not bad. See, when we rub, not bad. So again, I really like this. How cool. You see, I'm excited now because I went to buy this, which is something that I love, and I actually discovered a new product that I love and I will use. So this, again, this is the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. This is awesome, guys. If you're looking for a nice matte long wear lipstick and pencil that are not super drying, this is it. I mean, it feels really nice on your lips. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel powdery, and the color's really pretty. So, hey, thumbs up to Kylie Jenner and her makeup line. So happy I discovered this along with you guys, and for me right now, it's a thumbs up. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if I get anything else from her, I'll share. So far, I like her line, and I'm, again, pleasantly surprised. So love it. Thumbs up to Kylie Jenner and her lipstick and her dewy blush, and excited to wear this out. Have a great night. Bye.